Are you a blind bitch? Well, don't feel alone, because I am too. So say bye-bye. Is it upside down? So say bye-bye. My dear friend Vooglam sent me some prescription glasses. Yes, because a bitch is blind. They're affordable and they're stylish at the same time. Say less. First pair I got. I really like the big frame glasses. I don't know why. I'm really into those. You can see my prescription. Can you see it? One is like far-sighted and one's nearsighted. I have problems. Okay, next one is kind of the same, but a little different. It's pink. I work on my phone and on my computer like 24/7, so blue light is a must. This one just really makes me want to talk in a Jersey accent, or like a Brooklyn accent. I'm feeling it. It's bringing a character to life. You need to stop. I need to take these off. This one's a more subtle one, okay? Oh, this one's cute. This one's like an everyday wear that you can wear like almost any outfit. Their shipping is crazy fast too. This one, if Picasso had glasses, I don't know if he did or if he didn't. But if he did, it'd be these ones. Okay, I admit. These ones are a little bit over the top, but for some reason I like them. So don't worry, you can check out the link in my bio and use my discount code. It's going to be in the caption. You're welcome.